Hello everyone, welcome to my page, to my channel. This is Mona, your health and wellness coach from Slim Trim Lifestyle, day 19. So yes, feeling much better and getting also messages from many of my people who are following the plan and they are also liking it out. It's a little bit hard because detox is not so easy. For the detox, you need to stop the carbs and sugar. Maximum is the 40 days, and then only your body starts to release all the toxins which is sitting in your gut. So you see, 18 days is gone so quickly. So just some more days, don't worry. I am finished with my morning bliss. What I had it, water, it's ready here. I also finished with my trim. And for today, as it's summer, so sometimes you do not feel like to eat so much. And even the morning bliss, what we drink with fiber, aloe vera, multivitamin, it's quite filling. So you don't feel also sometimes too hungry. So I am going to today have, this is like, you can say yogurt drink, which is just without any flavor. So there is no flavor. Basically, you can also make at your home. But I have just got this one bottle. I just try to make of my own, but okay. Would like to show you some people who are going to office or have a busy schedule, don't get so much time to make of their own. So it's a bio one, a normal, just with the yogurt, that's it. It's nothing, no flavor, no sugar, no salt, nothing. So it's just a flat. And with this I am taking some fruits, so you can have a look the fruits whatever you like. I have got berries, some again berries, because I know my lunch is going to be a little heavier. So that is the reason I'm trying to balance, so that I can even balance my meal and also my calories. So a perfect for your breakfast. Now just check it out what's for my lunch. For lunch I have got some salmon fish. So fish is again of your choice. You can have any fish, whatever you find. So I have today found some salmon fresh fish. I have marinated with all kind of spices, whatever spices you like. If you don't like any spices, just with turmeric and little salt, that's also fine, with some little lemon juice also, because that gives a tangy flavor on that. So I've marinated and I've kept the chicken for around half an hour. Now just simply I'm going to make in my air fryer. And then I have got some crushed zucchini and some leaves of your spinach. So this is for me and my husband both. So you can see it's around 200 grams of fish, and this is also quite 2 pieces of zucchini. So we are going to divide for our lunch. So a good, healthy and happy lunch. Now for the dinner. I'm having some chicken curry with spinach. I have made for my family, so was not feeling to cook something for me alone. So I thought, okay, I'm going to enjoy this one only. So there's some chicken around 100-120 grams maximum. Some spinach. I feel the spinach is a little lesser, so I need some green in that. If you want, you can also have cucumber or more spinach, but I had some lesser. So then I'm going to take some mangold vegetables, easy available. Just you can make a salad of this one, or you can just drop this one in the boiling water and just take it out. So just for 30 seconds, tastes very good. So this is the mangold which I'm going to have with my spinach. I hope you people are liking our plan and also liking the food variations, that you don't have to starve, you have to eat so many times. And yes, don't forget to also have your snacks between your 2 meals, because sometimes people, they are missing, and then at the lunch or dinner they are eating a big portions. Try for your lunch and dinner the portions should be smaller, not too big. As you can see, this is like my lunch dinner. So just small quantity of my more vegetables will be there, and that will be perfect for me. Make your size little smaller. So some people, when they are feeling hungry, it means they are not having their snacks. So if you miss your snacks, so at that time, so you are getting a gap of like 4 to 5 hours or 6 hours. So that is the reason then you eat more, and to lose weight, then it's quite harder. So get that habit to eat again after 2.5 hours. If you want for the lunch time, like tea time, what we say, have some nuts or some fox makhana with 1 cup of green tea. If you are a coffee lover, you can also have some coffee also. And if you like chai, so in that case it's quite tricky. Try to have the black tea, and with that just drop 2-3 spoon of milk. That's it, not too much, because that is the most time when people get also acidity. They are eating, they are a long time they did not had the food. Yes, and even this is the most important time when people need also energy if they are working. So in that time you can have a coffee, a tea, but with little milk, not too much, and it should be fat free or 1.5 fat, the skimmed milk, anything whichever like that. And if you people are liking my plan and if you're following it seriously, just don't forget to drop in the description that you're following, liking. If you want any more changes, variations, if you have any inquiries, you can definitely connect with me in my email, slim trim lifestyle, it's all together @gmail.com. And even on the descriptions you can leave your inquiries, and even whatever the products, whatever I'm using, like trim or the multivitamins or the fat burning or the collagen, you can definitely find the descriptions, link in my description, so you can buy from there. You will also going to get discount. And don't forget to like, subscribe my channel so that I can come up with more new ideas. Thank you. Bye bye.